welcome to today's Magic Kingdom vlog. I am so excited about today and just being back at Magic Kingdom. It's my favorite. And started the day out with an absolute angel on the bus. This lady, literally once I got on, her and her daughter stood up. She held my stroller so the girls and I could sit down and be able to like hold on to them for the bus ride, which was so sweet. And then she literally carried my stroller off for me. So the kindest people, like you don't always run into that, but when you do, it is something you're so grateful for, and it's amazing. So thank you to that lady for doing that for us. But let's go scan in and get into Magic Kingdom. Can you take a photo of it? How about you take a video of it for mommy? Can you video the castle? All right, it's recording, so just look. Point at what you want to see.
I want to snap. Can I snap?
Yeah?
I'm gonna snap.
Here goes. There we go. You ready? You ready, Bella?
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board and review your score.
You love Buzz. Alright. Not bad scores, huh, Luz? Is that your favorite? Let's go. Becca and I are riding the rides too. We're here too. Yeah. It's not just them. No man, that's mommy's. That's mom. Of course it's not safe morning trying to enjoy your drink on the hub grass with your toddlers until one of them kicks it over and 3/4 of it is spilled onto the hub grass. So there goes my hot chocolate. I had like 3 sips. Oh, it's a good thing they're cute. But they're having fun. I think I'm going to try to film my stroller video, and if that is, it's stroller, diaper bag, everything, like full setup. So if you're looking for that, I think if it's on the channel before this vlog goes live, I will link it in the description box below and at the end of the video for you guys when it pops up on the screen. But I'm going to film that really quick, and then I think we're gonna go do some more fun stuff. So yeah, so far I am enjoying this. I love sitting on the hub grass and just looking at the castle. If we lived here, I would just come and do this all the time. Look, we met some friends and subscribers from the UK. The girls have been letting them draw. I know, it is Elsa! Yeah! So they've just been sitting here playing and coloring together. And now we're distracted by Elsa. Yeah! Okay, so just finished up like a official influencer YouTuber, just finished up with the stroller diaper bag video. So again, if that one's up already, I will have it linked in the description box below for you and at the end of the video. But we're headed into Adventureland. We're gonna go over to Pecos Bills and have some lunch really quick. It is 11:39, so we took a good bit of our morning after the attractions, just getting some things done and filming more videos for you guys. So hope you enjoy them, but I'm hungry, so now we're gonna go eat. Got all of our food and a view outside so we can see Festival of Fantasy going by. So that timed out accidentally perfect. Is that Mickey? And another Disney confession is I have not had a Disney churro. This is the churro nuggets. So we're gonna give them a shot. They also came with a chocolate dip. So that sounds good. They're good. I don't know that they're gonna go to the top as my favorite snack, but they are good. I like it. You want it?
Yeah, I want to video it. Yeah.
We are now post-nap and headed back to Magic Kingdom. It's about almost 5 o'clock and we are headed out. Becca and Ellie are hanging back there, headed out, I think, to the pool. They're gonna have a relaxing night in. Ellie is just, you know how it is with toddlers. Sometimes they're ready to go, sometimes they're not. And she has been requesting some more pool time, so that's what they're gonna do. And we are back because Lucy's wanting to go ride the magic carpets. So that's what we're gonna go ride and do and have a fun little evening at Magic Kingdom. I wanted to do something different for dinner. I'm like, okay, where's somewhere that we've not eaten in Magic Kingdom? And so I found a reservation for the Diamond Horseshoe. So I think I'm gonna go try that. So I made that reservation. I don't know, we'll see if, I don't know. I think I wanna do it, like to try something different, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm undecided right now on like how I want this night to go. So we're gonna do that. The characters at Pete's Silly Sideshow are back, and so we're wanting to go and do that hopefully too if we can before the lines get too long. Hopefully they won't be bad if it's still open. I don't know. Sometimes characters have weird hours, so we will see, but that's kind of the itinerary idea in my head for tonight. I don't know that it'll go anything like that, but we'll see. Yeah, you got it.
Do, do.
Yep, it's got to go doo doo. Alright, so we're headed towards Fantasyland. The Pete's, I think I mentioned this a second ago, but Pete's Silly Sideshow is back, and so we're wanting to go hopefully meet some characters. We'll get to experience that for the first time. And then we did a little shopping in the Emporium. I'll have to show you our like mini haul. We got 4 things. I got Dean a bag of the 50th anniversary Joffrey's coffee because he likes that. Bella got a daisy. Can you show us our daisy?
I want to do my gondola.
Yeah, you got a gondola. And then mommy got this sweatshirt. So it says Magic Kingdom on it in like the Magic Kingdom font. It's got the castle, it's all iridescent. I thought it was kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, FOMO kicked in and I'm like, I'm gonna hate that I don't buy this, but I'm also worried that it's gonna start peeling up. So I don't know. We'll see after a few washes how it lasts. But I did, they ended up on the app, it gave me a DVC discount. I am DVC, but I am resale. And if you know what that means you don't get the discount. But I used the mobile checkout and it gave it to me. So, shh, don't tell anybody.
Bye bye.
Rago? Rago. Yeah, we're gonna go in there? Okay. Are you recording? Is it blinking red? Okay, so I love when this happens of getting in a line and it being shorter than it is. But it's not always like that, but it was for us with Mickey and Daisy, or I'm sorry, Minnie and Daisy back here at Pete's Silly Sideshow. It said 45 minutes, but we were through in 23. Again, stopwatch nerd over here, like trying to see if it's accurate or not, but yeah. Wanted to just share that. So the line was a lot less. It's close to their closing time though. It is 6:30. We got in line a little after 6, and so they close at 7, so about an hour before they closed their meet and greet, and that worked out perfect. So these later times are seeming to work out really, really well so far. Tavern. I did keep the Diamond Horseshoe dinner. I decided, you know what, I would rather have a little bit of assistance. I just didn't feel like fighting a tray and getting a table at a quick service and just the whole ordeal. I can do it and it's fine. It's just something I didn't feel like doing tonight. You know how it is sometimes you just don't feel like doing that. And so I found this reservation for Liberty Treat. We've never eaten here before. It's actually the same menu as at the Diamond Horseshoe as Liberty Tree. I don't know, I probably said Liberty Tree. We're eating at Diamond Horseshoe. It's the same menu as Liberty Tree. We've eaten that before, and I love their ooey gooey toffee cake. If you know, you know. It's so good. I love making it home. It is delicious. I found a recipe that's like similar, and so yeah. I am excited about it. I think Bella will eat her weight in mac and cheese for sure, and I think Lucy should like it. Hopefully, I think she should. So we'll see. She's my picky one right now, but I'll keep you guys posted on how that goes. But it should be delicious, and I am excited to eat. I'm getting hungry. And these little things have been amazing. So Becca had ordered one for Ellie to have on this trip, and when Lucy saw it and started playing with it, she absolutely loved it. And so I was able to order this 2-pack for I think one was like $10, and then a second one to get like the 2-pack, so a blue one and a pink one, it was like $13 or $13.99 or something like that, and I was able to get them next day. So I Amazon Primed them in because both of the girls wanted to color, and I'm like, you know what, let's just do this, and that way, you know how it is. Sometimes you just need multiples of the exact same thing when kids are around each other, so that is what we did, and the girls are loving these so much. Girls are all set up. We are coloring. Our waiter has taken our order. We're ready. terrible vlogging, but I already stirred the salad, but this is salad. We got it without the house-made dressing. I'm just not a big dressing person, which was easy. And then these are the rolls. We have some butter. It is so, so good. And Lucy actually ate a couple bites of lettuce. So she thinks it's like bingo, because we watched Bluey. Bingo has salad. So I think she's being like bingo. Is that pretty good? It's little bites of cucumber from the salad. Bite? Is that good stuff? Nice. More? Do you want more? More? More. Good girl. I have 3 toddlers, so I had to make plates first, but we have some dressing here. I've got pot roast there, have turkey, and then they ended up still putting the pork on there, even though I told them no pork, but that's okay. But we have turkey on top of that. And then I have macaroni and cheese, and we do mashed potatoes over there, green beans, and it is delicious, so I'm gonna dig in. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Yeah? This one's eating some turkey. So, you know, I'm taking it. I'm taking the win. And now we are on to ooey gooey toffee cake after fireworks. Did you like seeing the fireworks? Yeah, was that good? Ice cream's even.
And I had enjoyed covering my ears.
Yeah. You enjoyed covering your ears? Okay. All right, let's get you a bite of ice cream. Ma'am, you want some? That was delicious, and I am glad we did that because Lucy ate so much turkey, which was amazing because she's not been eating a ton. Like, she's been really picky this trip. Like, she's that toddler phase. And so the fact that she ate so much turkey was perfect. I was just glad to get her in something besides a carb or sugar and dessert type foods, donuts, sweets, things like that. So that was nice. I'll turn on the lights in just 1 second, okay? And then I was also really glad that Bella ate so well. She ate lots of turkey and macaroni and cheese. Like, girl ate her weight in macaroni and cheese. And it was all delicious. I got my ooey gooey butter cake. So it was really good. What did you think of dessert? Your ooey gooey butter cake?
Yeah, my ooey butter cake.
Ooey gooey butter cake. Oh, cup down.
Ooey butter cake.
we got our Dollar Tree magic wands and we're ready to go. All right, let's go, girls. Let's go to People Mover. Okay, leave it to kids. I never noticed that these were palm trees until she was like, Mommy, look, let's look at the trees. Kids, they make you slow down and enjoy things. No, we're gonna go to this one, okay? Let's go this way. Park closes in 5 minutes, so I think we'll make it.
Teacups are my favorite.
Teacups are your favorite?
I get one.
All right, we can ride teacups. So we just got off of teacups. Earlier we did People Mover 3 times in a row. Lucy was just like, go again, go again. So we just kept going again. And they were so kind and let us. So we have now shut the park down. Park closed at 11 and it is 11:03. So not too shabby. We'll see if we can go pull the sword. I swear she comes alive at night. It's so weird, you guys. Like, she may be like falling down crying later on our way back, but right now, she's like, let's pull the sword. Let's go on Pooh Bear. Let's go on Mine Train. All right, let's go try to pull the sword. You see if you're tall enough? Yeah. Alright, well, this is probably the longest vlog ever. I don't know, I feel like this is a really long day, but you know, it's been a good one. Today was our last day here in the parks and we fly home tomorrow, so another travel day vlog coming at you soon. But yeah, it's been such a good girls trip. I've had so much fun coming with my bestie Becca and us having some girls time and our girls playing together. It's been fun. It's been a lot and it's been such a different trip. It's different being here with somebody else who like knows how to plan a Disney trip. I'm so used to just being the one having to like do everything and like plan everything because my family's like, oh, that's your thing, you do it. Like you do your thing. And I'm like just the vacation planner, and so getting to do that together and have somebody else to help like make reservations and do all these things, it's just so fun. So yeah, I have thoroughly enjoyed it. So if you have not seen any of her vlogs from this trip, I will have her channel linked below so you can go and check that out. But enough rambling, this girl wants to go pull the sword. Are you pulling? It's not working? Oh, I guess you're not worthy. Maybe next time. Alright, let's go. I don't think it's how that works. Yeah, you don't want to leave? I know. I don't want to leave either, but we do need to go back to our resort. I know. Bye, Castle. Bye. See you later.
Wait, we're gonna wait 1 second for the stroller. All right.
Alright guys, we are officially and finally walking out of Magic Kingdom. It is 11:48. So the park closed 48 minutes ago. I am tired and I do not feel like fighting, like trying to get them on a bus, and they're like on the verge of being super whiny. So I've ordered a minivan. I am splurging. We're splurging to get back to the resort, but you know, it's last night, might as well do something fun. I'm pretty sure I did pretty well on my budget this time, so I can afford to splurge on this one. So let's go catch that minivan.